Hey buyers, listen up. We know that you want to do your due diligence so you can win that house and get your offer in as soon as possible. So I got a call from one of my buyers asking me to meet them at an open house, and they wanted to bring their contractor with them to the open house. So in order to get the right perspective, let's put the shoe on the other foot. I have been a listing agent, and if your buyer would show up at my open house with a contractor walking through, pointing out all these negative things they wanted to change, that would not fly well with me. For a listing agent, the open house is their time to sell that house in all its absolute glory. We don't need someone walking through pointing out things that supposedly need to get fixed or changed, especially when other buyers are in the house listening. Here's what I suggested to my clients. I said, I'm gonna speak with the listing agent, gonna ask if we can have 30 minutes after the open house to bring our contractor through, because we are surely interested in this home and we'd love to put an offer in. So do you agree? Would you? Should you bring your contractor to an open house? I'd love to hear your comments down below.